What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Union Bank Credit Card Cash Advance. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung interest rates ng Union Bank Credit Card Cash Advance at the same time yung Cash Advance PIN. Kasi before kayo makapag-Cash Advance sa Union Bank Credit Card ninyo, kailangan nyo muna yung Cash Advance PIN. At saka, pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba mag-request ng Union Bank Credit Card Cash Advance PIN. At the same time, yung fees and charges. Magkano nga ba yung availment fee per transaction? Kasi sa Cash Advance guys, when it comes to Cash Advance, per transaction yung availment fee niya. At the same time, pag-uusapan din natin yung steps kung paano nga ba mag-Cash Advance sa Union Bank Credit Cards ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, Union Bank credit card holders can withdraw cash via ATMs or Union Bank online app using a dedicated cash advance PIN. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin kung paano magkaroon ng Union Bank credit card cash advance PIN. A fee of 200 pesos per transaction applies. So bawat transaction is 200 pesos with interest rates of 3% monthly or 36% annually. Accruing from the withdrawal date, cash advance are available up to a specific limit with online options allowing for direct transfer. Key details on Union Bank Cash Advance. Fees of 200 pesos. A fee is charged per transaction in addition to the monthly interest rate. Sa maliban guys sa interest rate na 3%, itong 200 pesos is one-time payment ito siya. Tapos, itong interest rates na sinasabi at 3% monthly effective interest rate applies to the cash advance amount effective from the date of withdrawal. Itong 3% naman is iba siya sa 200 pesos. So, 200 pesos is per transaction siya. Tapos, ito naman sa 3% is every month ito papasok sa statement of account ninyo hanggang hindi nyo pa na-fully pay yung kinash advance ninyo sa Union Bank credit card ninyo. Like for example, nag-cash advance kayo ng 10,000. The moment you withdraw that 10,000 pesos from a Union Bank machine, automatic yun may patong na 200 pesos as transaction fee. Halimbawa, nag-umulit kayo ng 10,000, so bali dalawang beses kayo nag-avail, another 200 pesos yun, sa magiging 400 na yung i-charge na availment fee or cash advance fee doon sa account ninyo. Tapos ngayon, since 20,000 yung na-avail ninyo, yung magiging interest noon on the next billing cycle is papatungan nyo ng 3%. So yung 20,000 times 3% is equals to 600 pesos. Tuloy-tuloy yung 600 pesos na yun hanggang sa ma-fully paid ninyo yung 20,000 pesos. Kaya naman tip ko lang sa inyo na kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng pera, make sure to pay it off para maging debt-free kayo agad-agad. How to avail? So ngayon, paano nga ba magkaroon or paano nga ba i-avail yung cash advance sa Union Bank credit card ninyo? Via ATM. Use any ATM with your credit card and cash advance PIN. As you can see guys, any ATM. Basta may cash advance PIN na kayo. Take note lang guys na may additional fee ito which is yung machine fee, kumbaga convenience fee. Di ba kapag nag-withdraw kayo gamit yung debit card ninyo sa ibang machine, may charge siya na 16 pesos, 18 pesos, ganun lang naman siya. Plus yung, of course, yung 200 pesos as is talaga yon. Union Bank online application. Access the app to transfer cash directly to a link account. So pwede rin naman via link account. Pwede nyo i-transfer yung credit limit niyo sa Union Bank into link account. Then yeah, let's talk about paano nga ba kumuha ng Union Bank cash advance PIN. To get a Union Bank credit card cash advance PIN, use the Union Bank online application to set it instantly under card settings. So kailangan yung i-open yung Union Bank online application ninyo. Select your credit card, choose set cash advance PIN. Enter your desired PIN. So, mabilis lang siya, guys. And confirm with one-time PIN password sent to your registered mobile number. So ito guys, crucial part. So make sure lang nung nag-apply kayo ng Union Bank credit card ninyo, dapat yung mobile number na ililink ninyo or ilalagay ninyo doon is active talaga siya. Kasi doon lahat ipapadala yung updates, tulad nito, OTP or one-time PIN, doon yun ipapadala. Halimbawa, nawala yung mobile number na yon, make sure to call Union Bank Customer Service para magpa-update kayo ng details ninyo. Kasi crucial part yung mobile number. Doon lahat ipapadala yung update sa credit card ninyo sa Union Bank. Steps to set or reset cash advance via application. So ito yung hakbang or steps kung paano magkaroon ng Union Bank Credit Card Cash Advance PIN. Log into Union Bank online application. Select the specific credit card from your dashboard. Kung meron kayong maraming credit card sa Union Bank, pipili kayo ngayon kung aling credit card ninyo sa Union Bank ang lalagyan ninyo ng cash advance PIN. Tap on card settings, then select set cash advance PIN, enter your desired 6-digit PIN and re-enter to confirm. So dalawang beses niyo ipapalagay yon sa Union Bank application para ma-confirm yung changing of PIN ninyo sa credit card na yon. Input the OTP sent to your registered mobile number to finalize. So, yun na yung last step. Kailangan ma-confirm yung transaction na yun. Kailangan yung i-input yung one-time PIN na ipapadala doon sa registered mobile number ninyo sa Union Bank credit card ninyo. Alternative methods. Customer Service Hotline. Call 632-8841-8600 to request a PIN. Kung hindi gumana sa Union Bank application, pwede nyo tawagan yung Customer Service Hotline nila, which is yung 632-8841-800. Repayment. Cash advance are part of the total amount due under and appear on the monthly statement. Interest accumulates until the entire amount is paid. So hanggang hindi nyo nababayaran ng buo, hindi natatapos yung kinash advance ninyo, tulad ng example kanina, 20,000 or 30,000 man yan, tuloy-tuloy lang yung 3% na ipapatong doon buwan-buwan. Kaya naman, kailangan nyo bayaran agad yon. It is highly recommended to use the cash advance feature only for emergencies due to the high interest rates and fees. So, recommended lang siya, if ever na wala kayong mapagkukunan ng pera panandalian, mag-cash advance muna kayo. Tapos pag dumating na yung pera, make sure to pay it off. Kasi tuloy-tuloy talaga yung 3% kahit 1,000 pesos na lang yan. So, yun guys, be aware lang kayo when it comes to using cash advance kasi yun nga, kailangan mo na yung cash advance PIN at the same time, yung mobile number talaga guys. Ulitin ko lang na make sure na i-update ninyo yung account ninyo kapag nag-change kayo ng mobile number. Kasi lahat ng updates, kailangan yung ma-receive yon. Tulad nga ng cash advance PIN, pag nag-set kayo, doon ipapadala yung OTP. At the same time, take note lang guys na cash advance comes with high interest. Kaya naman kapag nag-avail kayo, 200 pesos agad yon. Tapos 3% yung ipapatong hanggang sa ma-fully paid ninyo yung kinash advance ninyo. Kaya naman ipapaalala ko lang na kapag may pera na kayo or dumating na yung perang inaasahan ninyo, make sure na ilaan ninyo yung iba doon sa kinash advance ninyo sa Union Bank credit card ninyo para matigil na yung 3% na ipapatong buwan-buwan. Para hindi kayo mahirapan. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!